Hello?
Hello, my Kamashi.
Hello everyone! For today's video ay gagawa po kami ng Poison Candy Challenge kasama ko ang aking alaga. So ito na pala yung gagamitin namin. Ayan, so ito yung
Play.
candies.
Ito na.
Okay, lapot. Yan. Yan.
Open.
So, taran!
Yo, it's so. Wait, Yo, it's so great.
But don't touch it.
Oh my
Like that. Gently. Ito yung aming candy. Show them.
Wow.
Yan. Merong
Heart.
What is this? Kiwi.
Kiwi. This is heart.
Heart.
Peach.
And strawberry.
And strawberry and avocado.
Avocado.
And like there's tutti frutti.
Okay. So mga kamamshi, umpisa na namin. So,
And we have grapes.
grapes. Close your eyes first. And me, yala, close my eyes and choose the.
Check them out.
You remember for you, I remember
Okay.
for me.
Okay, turn
Yan,
around.
choose. Show them.
Okay.
Finish.
No.
Faster.
Finish.
You show them.
Yes.
Okay, let's go. We start.
Okay.
You first. Yeah.
Okay. Yours is the.
Show them.
Okay. Yours is the. This peach.
You are safe. Eat. Eat. If you don't want, put your hands. If you don't. Show me. I help because this one's very, very. Big for you. Ayan. If you don't like to eat, put this one. Okay. And me. Nakakatakot. This one.
Safe. Oh my, you were so close in the first.
Don't said. Why? Almost, she said for me is, malapit ko na daw makuha yung poison candy. So, yan. Ilalagay ko dito.
It's like gum.
Yan. You.
Okay. This one.
Save. You are safe. Yan. If you don't like, put on to it.
I have to try it.
Try.
Sour.
Oh, my turn.
Okay.
Kinakabahan ako mga kamamshibles. This.
You're safe.
Yay! Heart.
You're safe.
Ayun. No, don't take it because I see it.
Fruity, fruity.
You are poison! I'm sorry. You are poison.
I lose?
You are loose. It's okay. Ayan, sa mga kamamshi, talo po siya. Nakuha niya yung poison. Ayan, sa mga kamamshi, gawin nyo na rin to mga kamamshi. Magandang banding to. Lalong-lalo na
this
sa
one.
family, friends. Ayan, sa mga kamamshi. Thank you for...
I got the.
She take the loose. Nakuha niya yung napili kong poison candy. Ayan siya ang natalo. So, I'm win. Ayan mga kamamshi, gawin nyo na rin po. Masaya
Don't forget
ito.
to like to my channel, not Mary's.
Nakakatuwang gawin mga kamamshi. Gayahin nyo na mga kamamshi. Ayan mga kamamshi, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like and comment and share mga kamamshi. Thank you for watching. Babu! See you next my video.
Babush!